incredibly powerful. And when you talk about returning the people's money, one of the things I've talked to Steve Hilton about quite a lot is the idea that you could eliminate people and Chad Bianco as well, eliminate income tax. You don't even need an income tax in Texas. And yet we have the highest taxes in the state in California. So I would ask you this, David, do you think with the right people in charge of, being treasurer and controller in the state of California and really getting serious about cracking down on fraud, is it possible in your estimation that we could see a sales tax, or maybe no income tax at all?
Absolutely, without a doubt. So, yes, we can absolutely get to a surplus. I believe that we can eliminate the state income tax. I believe that we can also eliminate or reduce drastically state property taxes so that people can actually own their homes free and clear, get back to a surplus. We have $1.112 trillion in taxes every year that we pay. $806 billion leaves the state of California. It gets laundered back to us in failed NGOs and government programs and pork that congressmen pack into bills. That's garbage. And then in addition to that, we have about a $324 billion annual budget, which has tripled over about the last 12 years. And so we should be doing more with less, which
Hmm.
is what the Marine Corps specializes in. But also, Bianco talks about something that's very important, which is how oil rich the
Yeah.
state of California is. Are not only rich in oil, in lithium, in uranium, in natural gas, in water. We're rich in all of these resources and public land and
You
lumber.
wouldn't know
And
it.
so
Hmm.
and it's because of the way that we're
That's
acting.
right.
And so we need to be empowering the people through our water, energy, and food, not using those as systems of control for people. And so one of the first things that I would do as California State Treasurer is quantify exactly how rich Californians are by doing something that real estate agents are very familiar with, which is looking into our mineral rights, our oil, our water, our natural gas. And I'm going to quantify just how much in raw resources we have in the state of California that belongs to the people.
I